Hi guys, JoAnna from Indiana coming to you once again from the Buzzed Kitchen. Today is going to be the first of a 4-part series that I like to call JoAnna from Indiana Goes Bananas. And we're going to make banana pancakes with a recipe that I saw on one of those hack website like things where they show you easy, quick things to do. I've always kind of just put mushed up bananas into pancake batter to make banana pancakes. Then you gotta like worry about consistency and whatever else. This I have not tried, but I just saw it. It's 2 ingredients. It's 1 banana and 1 egg. So it says you smush up your banana with a fork. And then you break an egg into it, 1 egg. I have to use both hands, I'm not super fancy like that. And then you mix this together, and that's it. So I have a pan of oil heating up over here. I like to use Crisco for pancakes, because it gives you that crispy edge, but I'm not sure how it's going to work when it doesn't have flour in it. I'm imagining that the banana is supposed to work as like your starch agent in this. I have not tried this yet, so we'll see how it goes. So mix. And it just said to do this with a fork. There's no need right now to use the KitchenAid stand mixer because we just have this little tiny bit. Smush. Okay, I think that's good, and I think our pan is ready. Let's just make sure that oil's all over. Alright, I'm not sure how this is going to work out, but we'll see. Gonna make 1 big pancake, that's all. It's just, the recipe was 1 egg per 1 banana. And it's gonna be a monster pancake, and that's okay. I'm gonna just kind of level it out. Get that oil touching the sides so it gets that good crispy edge. At least it does with pancake batter, like I said, we shall see. And now we just wait until it gets crispy around the edge, and then we'll flip. Not really sure how long that's going to take. So we'll take this second for me to do a shout out to a couple of people from work that had liked the shows I've done so far. My friend Billy Glass, Billy Bucks, Billiam Buxley. He no longer works with me. He has gone on to bigger and better managerial things somewhere else. I miss you, Billy. Miss you yelling at me about bananas. Cheers. Love you, brother. Which leads me to my friend Shane that I work with, who says he doesn't watch YouTube and hasn't seen my show, but his favorite drink is vodka and lemonade, and this is vodka and strawberry lemonade. And I said, if I mention you on the show, will you watch it? And he said, probably. So Shane, you better subscribe if you watch this. Alright, I think this is about ready to flip. See how it's all bubbly? That's what you want with the normal pancake, so I assume that that's what you want with this. Let's loosen it up all around the edge and see. Feels like it might need a second before I try to lift it, so we're gonna wait. So like I said, this is the first of 4 Go Bananas episodes. This was the simplest one, but I have some bananas that this has happened to, because like I told you before, we overbought some groceries. So these are going to be banana bread, and who doesn't like banana bread? So we'll do that next, and then there's a couple other exciting things coming up, but you know, let's leave some mystery. Alright, I'm going to try to flip this, and we'll see how this works. You know what? It's falling apart. So if you guys bear with me for 1 second, I'm going to get a bigger spatula. it back together. Maybe turn this down a little bit. All right, 1 second. Okay guys, we're gonna do double spatula method. It's gonna fall apart. Pancake batter, I think, holds it better together than just bananas, but we're gonna do our best. Oh, it's burned. Well, you know, you can't win them all. I thought it was too good to be true when I saw it on the thing. I'm like, that can't be right. But, you know, I could have done it wrong. The temperature of my pan might have been a little too hot. I thought it needed to be higher than it was in the beginning, and I was wrong. But we're not going to burn the second side, so then we'll still be able to taste it. Sometimes this happens. Usually you don't want to eat the first pancake off the pan anyway, but since we're only making one. Yeah, this just seems like it feels like a scrambled egg kind of a consistency. Not very pancakey, but this is not my personal recipe, so we'll revisit banana pancakes another time on Go Bananas Take a Million or whatever. But yeah, when I was little, my grandpa used to call me JoAnna Banana, and I work in produce now, so. Alright, this is just a hot mess, but that side looks more like what you would think a pancake would look like. And that's gotta be done. So, we don't make mistakes. We just make happy accidents. So we're gonna put our scrambled banana eggs on this plate. You guys, I gotta tell you, as I often, like, when you see the, like, as seen on TV things where you have to, like, call now and you get 2 for the price of 1. That's kind of how I feel about this recipe. Like, I don't know. So normally I would put butter and syrup on pancakes. You want to put your butter on while it's warm, so it melts. Let's see how this works. It really is scrambled eggy, you guys. I don't know who thought of this, or if they, like, were just had some sort of magic I don't have, but we're gonna put a tiny bit of syrup. We're gonna taste a tiny bit of this and see if it's even a little bit banana pancakey. It's so eggy and it's cooked. So okay. 2-ingredient banana pancakes, scrambled eggs. It's banana scrambled eggs, you guys. I don't know if maybe if you had like a mold to hold it together or something, but yeah. Thumbs down from me. That's not very good. So I will make normal banana pancakes for you sometime in the future. But yeah, this, if you see this recipe in the quick, easy, small amount of ingredients things, you probably don't want this. Pancake mix is what, like $1. Just do that like you always do. Alright, so thank you for joining us in the Buzzed Kitchen for 2-ingredient hack banana pancake scrambled eggs. And we'll see you coming up for banana bread in just a little bit. Happy baking. Love you guys. Redemption pancakes. Alright, so that didn't work out very well. So apparently I am not very good at making the 2-ingredient pancakes. If you guys are, let me see how it turned out. But I'm going to show you guys how I usually do this. So you're going to make buttermilk pancake batter. You're going to mix your dry ingredients first. We have 1 cup of flour. baking soda, pretty standard, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and a tablespoon of white granulated sugar. That's your dry ingredients. You're just going to mix that together with a fork. Set that aside. Then, in your KitchenAid stand mixer, you will mix together 1 cup of buttermilk, which is thick, so you might want to use the rubber spatula to get that out of there. Of a teaspoon of vanilla, and 1 mushy banana. You gotta use the ripe ones when they get brown. Just until the egg is mixed. It should only take maybe 20-30 seconds. Alright, that's good. And then we add our dry ingredients. Just until mixed. As soon as it's not floury anymore, you stop. You do not want to overmix your pancakes. You want those little bits of flour. I don't know why, but you want those little bits of unmixed flour in there. Like when they pop and cook, it makes those the fluffiness. So this batter has to sit for about 10 minutes before we cook them. So go get a drink, go to the bathroom, go outside for a smoke, you know, whatever you need to do. Call your mom, and I'll see you back here in about 10 minutes and we'll cook them up. Okay, so our batter has rested. Our crisco is heated up. And let's see how they turn out this time. Banana pancakes. There wasn't a lot, but it said they were a Southeast Asian backpacker food. So that was all it said. It kind of said something about like Asian hostels and things like that, and it was cheap and something that the backpackers, you know, that's all it really said about banana pancakes, which I thought was weird because most of the things I look up that are banana based are American in origin, so that's pretty cool, you know. Just up a little bit. We're just waiting for the bubbles on top. They're starting. There's a couple of them. already look much better than the ones that we tried to make from the hack video. The video made it look like they worked out, you guys, for real. Like there was a whole pile of them and they looked perfect. And if they do, if you can do it and make it work out like that, let me see what you did. Because that was very bad. It's folly. So these are almost ready to flip. Just gonna wait till it has a few more bubbles. Alright, so this guy. Alright, see, that looks much better. Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and make a couple more of these and make a pile, and I'll be back to show you the plate. Second attempt, which was the old-fashioned recipe, worked out so much better. So I would just advise putting a banana in your buttermilk pancake mix. We're just gonna real quick take a bite and make sure that they turned out delicious and not scrambled eggs. Some people like to make like the caramel walnut topping for their pancakes, but I don't have any walnuts right now, so.
Drum roll.
Looks like pancakes. Alright, let's see. Oh yeah, sticky. Alright. Ah, drippy. Okay. That's so good.
A little bit better than banana scrambled eggs.
Oh my gosh, so much. Awesome. So I guess what I've learned from this is that I don't need to like cut corners and do trendy whatever. Just tried and true recipes that you had your whole life. Just stick with those. So, part 1 of JoAnna Goes Bananas. Banana pancakes. Yum. Enjoy. I will see you guys back to make banana bread. So happy baking. I love you guys.